Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I just thought of this cute little project that will be fun to do with children. Is to make this stuffed gingerbread man. So you can pick all your supplies up from the Dollar Tree. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V, and my channel focuses on ways to help you save money. And I like to do budget-friendly projects. And if something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, or either hit the link in the description box where you can be a member of the Saving with Miss V's family. I do a lot of budget-friendly shopping. I love the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to finish decorating my gingerbread man. Okay, so once you have both of your gingerbread men decorated, just go ahead and put them together. Just glue them together with hot glue or whatever glue of your choice. So like I was saying, I love the Dollar Tree because you can get some nice items for $1. I know some of their, sometimes you can find some of their items a little cheaper in other places. But for the most part, you can find inexpensive items to create great projects like this. So like I was saying, also, this was a great project for children. Something to keep them entertained during the holiday season. So I have my two gingerbread men glued together. I'll leave an opening so I can stuff it. So I'm going to take this pillow that I DIY'd about 2 years ago and just use that stuffing. My channel is budget friendly, so I like to reuse items I already have. And so what's on the inside this pillow is some of those little small foam balls, and I'll be using those. You could also use cotton balls from the Dollar Tree, but I'm using what I have. Yeah, they're a little messy, but that's okay. So you just stuff it, leave an opening and stuff it, and then you just glue that part down also, and I have a cute little stuffed gingerbread man. So if this is a project that you may do with your children or grandchildren or classroom, just let me know in the comment section. I just thought this would have been a great little DIY for children. Thank you and have a nice day.